Hi, bros. Welcome to another Lantern.
Today we're playing Super Smash Bros.
Yeah, Super Smash Bros. I wonder what this is all about. A Cleto 9 production. Super Smash Flash. Did I say it right? Super. Oh, it's not. Whatever. This is. You're gonna pick Kirby. I'm gonna pick Blade. Just get this over with. Fucking. Yeah, sure.
Level 2.
Four. That is all I have in for. Fucking 6. Woo. Let's go on this one. I think some people say that PewDiePie went on this, but I'm not doing this because of copying. So,
Let's pick this one.
no. This
I
one.
want that one.
You want this one?
Oh, I'm Kirby.
Whoa, what am I doing?
What are you? You're the best.
Whoa!
What?
Use Falcon Kick.
What? I've died. There's nothing
What?
to see.
No, not a chance. Huh. Oh yeah, I made it. Oh, fuck.
I'm badass. You wanna go? Boom,
Fuck.
boom. I'm Batman.
Ah. I'm so tiny.
What?
Ah. Fuck.
I died.
Shit. Yeah. Woo. Fucking die.
Let's do another one.
No, that's all for today, bros. So I hope you guys like this figure video. But I have to hope you guys like.